Whether you're replacing a few kitchen appliances or just looking to treat yourself to the latest trending products for your home, Amazon has you covered. In this video, we will show you 18 home and kitchen gadgets. Let's get started. These extra-large 75-gallon bins with lids and wheels are perfect for organizing everything from clothes and books to kitchen supplies. Crafted from durable, thickened plastic, these bins are built to last. They're waterproof, lightweight, and sturdy enough to bear up to 120 pounds. You can use them with peace of mind, knowing they're both durable and environmentally friendly. The stackable and collapsible design saves space when in use or storage. Stack up to 3 bins for efficient vertical storage, or fold them flat when not needed. Side handles enhance stability when stacked. This comprehensive 12-piece set includes everything you need: skillets, frying pans, saucepans, a stock pot, and even a steamer insert. Each piece features tempered glass lids for easy monitoring while cooking. Experience the ultimate ceramic nonstick surface, reinforced with diamonds for unparalleled food release. Cook healthier meals without oil or butter and enjoy effortless cleanup. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe pots and pans. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your culinary creations. These transparent boxes feature magnetic doors and a robust stackable design, ensuring stability and easy access to your footwear. But don't limit yourself. These versatile boxes are perfect for more than just shoes. Each of the 6 boxes measures 13.5 inch by 10.6 by 7.5 inch, ideal for storing hats, clothes, baby items, or toys. The clear design lets you identify contents at a glance. Crafted from upgraded, thick plastic on all sides, these boxes offer superior durability compared to standard shoe storage. They're a smart investment for any shoe enthusiast or organizational guru. This 2-tier design measures 12.6 inch 20.5 by 15.2 inch, maximizing counter space for large families. Experience versatile storage with designated areas for plates, cups, bowls, pots, wine glasses, and utensils. The Sunly rack keeps your kitchen essentials neatly organized while saving precious counter space. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this rack passed a rigorous 72-hour salt spray test for superior rust resistance. It's fingerprint-proof, stain-resistant, and supports up to 50 pounds, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. With 1,000 watts of power, this steamer heats up in just 30 seconds, delivering powerful steam to smooth out wrinkles in no time. Designed for portability, this compact steamer folds down for easy storage and comes with a travel bag, making it the perfect companion for your trips to 120-volt countries like the USA and Canada. Experience worry-free steaming with the leak-proof design. The electronic pump system ensures even steam distribution without leaks or spills, allowing you to steam at any angle with confidence. It's safe for a wide variety of fabrics, tackling everything from delicate clothes to curtains, furniture, and even toys. This versatile caddy fits standard shower pipes measuring 13/16 inch, offering convenient storage that hangs easily over your shower head. Featuring an anti-sway mounting design, this caddy combines a rubber clamp for the shower pipe with an adhesive shower bracket. This dual-fixing method ensures stable and secure attachment to your shower wall. Experience ultimate flexibility with the multifunctional design. Adjustable height and spacing accommodate various bottle sizes, while practical hooks provide perfect spots for razors, loofahs, and towels. These multifunctional bins are perfect for storing everything from clothes and bedding to books and snacks, ideal for home use or RV trips. Experience the convenience of foldable, stackable, and mobile design. These bins collapse in just 4 steps for compact storage, feature grooves for secure stacking, and include 4 rotating wheels for effortless mobility. With generous dimensions of 24 inch by 15 inch by 14 inch, each bin offers a spacious 76-quart capacity. Robust enough to support up to 300 pounds, they're perfect for everything from lightweight linens to heavy books and tools. Crafted from high-quality 300D PU fabric and a sturdy metal frame, these storage bins can hold up to 66 pounds, outperforming fragile metal mesh alternatives. Experience effortless mobility with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 featuring a locking function for stability when needed. Adults and children alike can easily glide these bins across floors and carpets, no matter how full they are. Stay organized with the clear window design, allowing you to see contents at a glance. The included label system helps you quickly identify items without opening multiple containers. With a set of 2 hangers, each accommodating 10 pairs of yoga pants, you'll have ample space for 20 pairs total. Save time and effort with this high-capacity system. Experience instant organization with no assembly required. These integrated hangers can be hung directly in your closet, on walls, or doors as soon as you open the package. Maximize your storage without taking up additional space. Enjoy effortless use with these versatile hangers. No need to fold or roll your clothes, simply clip and hang. Perfect for yoga pants, jeans, shorts, skirts, underwear, and more. These organizers adapt to all your storage needs. This versatile machine creates delicious single servings of ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt in just 20 minutes. Simply freeze the base, add your ingredients, and press start. Unleash your creativity with personalized treats. The built-in ingredient chute allows you to mix in your favorite add-ins, creating unique homemade ice cream experiences right in your kitchen. Perfect for small kitchens, this compact ice cream maker is a space-saving marvel. All accessories detach and store neatly inside the mug, making it ideal for tight spaces or dorm rooms. With its unique design, your hands never come near the built-in blades, making it the safest option for expert slicing. Experience unparalleled versatility with over 30 slicing options. Create perfectly even slices from 1 to 8 millimeter thick, or switch to julienne, matchstick, and dicing options. It's like having a professional sous chef in your kitchen. Cleanup and storage are a breeze with this compact slicer. It folds down for easy storage, while the included brush eliminates blade buildup. The food catch container keeps your countertops clean and tidy. Crafted from 100% pure premium cotton, these sheets boast a high 500 thread count for ultimate comfort. The breathable, durable fabric is perfect for those prone to night sweats, offering hotel-quality sleep. This 4-piece set includes a fitted sheet with deep pockets, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases, all featuring elegant hem details. Available in various colors and sizes, it's easy to match your bedroom decor. Machine wash in cold water, tumble dry on low, and avoid bleach. The dye-free manufacturing process keeps colors vibrant, wash after wash. Enjoy the plush feel of these no-shrink, no-pill sheets for years to come. With its powerful 200-watt motor, this versatile slicer effortlessly handles a variety of foods. Adjust the thickness from paper-thin to 15 millimeters with the easy-to-use control knob. This slicer comes equipped with 2 stainless steel blades, perfect for different food textures. The included stainless steel tray catches your freshly sliced ingredients for convenient serving. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the seamless, removable design. Key components like the blade, food carriage, and pusher detach for thorough sanitization. This versatile trio comes with a lifetime warranty and money-back guarantee, making it an ideal gift for any occasion. Crafted from responsibly sourced bamboo, these boards are naturally organic, food-safe, and less porous than traditional options. They're gentle on knife edges and feature deep juice grooves for mess-free prep. Meal prep like a pro with separate boards for meats, vegetables, and fruits. The durable construction stands up to heavy use, while the easy-to-clean surface keeps your kitchen hygienic. This cart features 2 convenient handles and 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 with brake pads, for effortless mobility and secure positioning. Personalize your storage with included classification labels for each basket. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. You'll have your cart ready in just 10 minutes with our clear, easy-to-follow instructions. The Laiensia cart's sleek design complements any room. Choose from stylish color options to match your decor. It's perfect for kitchens, living rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, and even garages. This manual can opener features high-precision gears and a razor-sharp high-carbon steel blade, ensuring a clean cut every time. No more worrying about jagged edges or metal shavings in your food. The soft, non-slip rubber handles and turn knob provide a secure grip even with oily hands. The enhanced knob design, with increased height and surface area, makes opening cans effortless, perfect for those with arthritis or limited hand strength. A strong suction magnet at the base, reinforced with a fluted design, securely holds the cut lid. This keeps your hands away from potentially sharp edges and ensures your food stays clean. This upgraded design features double-sided grippers that prevent sliding and curling, ensuring your rugs stay put. The gripper's unique design boasts a strong adhesive side that firmly attaches to your rug, while the reusable adhesive side grips the floor. Its square shape maximizes contact area for superior grip power. What sets the Home Techpro gripper apart is its removable and reusable design. The unique adhesive is safe for your floors, yet provides a strong hold. No more worries about damaging your luxury flooring. These cute, compact magnets pack a punch, each capable of holding up to 15 sheets of A4 paper or 30 sheets of sticky notes on your whiteboard or fridge. Built to last, these high-quality magnets feature a triple-layer protective coating: black paint, nickel, and copper. This robust finish ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, keeping your magnets looking great for years to come. Measuring just 0.47 by 0.63 inches, these magnets are perfectly sized to secure your items without obscuring them. Their cleverly designed ends make them easy to grip and reposition as needed.